Hi Shragvi, you're not taking the world history exam tomorrow?
No.
A ton of your classmates are taking.
No.
So tell me, what's up? What shall we discuss? You want to discuss polar graph rate of change, or do you want to discuss the free responses, or do you want to go over the MCQs? I have a plan,
Mm,
but I would like to give it to you because see, several of them have not joined today.
okay. MCQ.
MCQ, that's what I thought. Okay, MCQ, I thought because FRQ we did last week, right?
Yeah.
Are you comfortable with FRQs?
Yeah, kind of. I just need more practice, but I think I'm better at
Comfortable.
FRQ. Yeah.
Okay, shall we go through? See, for our lesson, I really prepared only the MCQs. Okay, I thought, hey, I have
Mm-hmm.
posted some four tests. Did you see
Oh,
those?
yeah, I saw. Uh-huh.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead with that. Have you revised any of those tests?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. So if I go over that, would it help you? Meaning, I really want to know what helps you more than what I want to do today. Because see, you and maybe one other kid will join is what I'm thinking. So let me know.
Mm.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Um, one second, ma. Yeah. വേണ്ട മത്തേർസതോ. Okay. Yeah, tell me, ma. Can I go over the FAQs, ma? Can I go over the not the FRQs, MCQs?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll do slowly. Okay. For your, are you taking calc next year or no?
I'm doing IB math.
Oh, okay, that's good. So they do AP pre-calc and then IB math, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, so what did I want to do? I wanted to go over to our classroom. I just posted everything there. So let's see. Mm, uh-huh. Okay, how about this? Let's go over one. Let's at least go over 30, 40 questions. Okay, let's see
Okay.
if wherever, whichever topics you need review, I will do. These, I don't know whether you remember. Let me share my screen, ma. But to remember the formulas, let's see. If you don't, it's okay. Let's see. With both expressions defined, which of the following is equivalent to this? So you just need to substitute some formulas in here. Do you know the formula for sine to x, ma?
Uh, yeah.
Okay. Remember, or you want me to do? Let me know, ma. I want to do without letting you wait for long. If you don't know, see, it's your class. Looks like nobody has joined. So why not we go ahead? But you have to tell me if you want me to go ahead.
Okay.
You're trying, ma?
Yeah. Is it half B.
B. Oh, that's nice. Yes. Can I go ahead and give the next one? I
Yeah.
think I can go ahead and post a few rather than you waiting on this. Let's see this one. Oh, this. Okay. I really want to give you this exam. Okay. You can practice the exams A, B, C's at home. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
This. See, I told you, right? There's one more kid. Hey, Manav. Manav, good to see you. How have you practiced? I have posted four mock tests, four or five mock tests, Manav. Oh, he's not hearing. Manav, Shagvi, are you able to do the next one?
Yeah.
The function, okay, log 3, so minus log 5. When does j of x equal to 2, where x is different? The domain of j. Oh, so you just need to find out the x values. Manav,
Yeah?
you're not writing the AP World History
No?
tomorrow?
No?
That's good. Okay. Several of your classmates are doing.
Oh, that's why they left?
Yes,
Oh,
several of them are writing, but yeah, I don't know if I cancel, when will I do the class, right? So yeah, it's very tough. So if they have something, they will ask me. So we thought of discussing the MCQs today. My thought was okay, since we discussed FRQs, right? If you want to discuss the fourth one, I'll discuss. Otherwise, we'll move to the MCQs today. Is what I thought. Would that work with you? Would that work, Mana? Hello.
sorry, yeah, that would work.
Okay. So let's see the second one. Yeah. Can we move on? Uh,
Yeah,
there are two things that we discussed now. So those are on the board. You can send me the answers. I'll keep doing. Okay, I'll give two at a time, and you guys can do. We'll try to cover at least 50 questions. I'm thinking. Let's see. So that way you get a lot of practice with the MCQs. Manav, do you want the first third problem is up on the board?
yeah.
Let me know if you want me to do, guys, this one. The function k is defined as k of x equal to, okay, which of the following shows the vertical asymptote of k as described using the definition of the limit? Did I give the right thing to you? It's a vertical flipper. Mm-hmm. It's a shift. Okay. Vertical asymptote of k as described using the definition of a limit. Okay. Did you get it? Shagbi, are you getting this?
Yeah, I sent you my answer.
Answer, okay. Oh yeah, 1 plus. That's right. Manav, did you get it?
Yeah, I saw the first one.
You solved the first one. Can you send the answer? And can I take off the first one? Okay. Can you send the answer? Let me see. What was it? Let me see. Just send it in chat. Shagvi, you can. Yes, ma. One is correct. Keep going. Let's try at least 30 problems. So you're all feeling confident about MCQs. Um, Go ahead, Shagvi, with the fourth one. He will do the second, third, fourth. If you're stuck, Mano, immediately ask Mano.
Okay. Wait, can we use a calculator in any of them?
I don't think MCQs are calculator active, right?
Some of them have calculator.
Huh?
Some of them have calculator.
1 second, let me check. I need to check. Hold on, I forgot. I'll check and tell. But you don't need calculators on that, right? 1 second, wait, let me check. Really? You? Mano, I verified. No calculator section, these are.
Okay.
Let me know wherever you're stuck, we'll discuss.
What do the curly braces mean? In number 2?
Number two. Oh, you will have x values, right? Only two x values you will get. That is why, that means they are discrete. You see, meaning continuous functions will have parentheses or square brackets. Whereas if the function is defined at only those two values, right, you will have these.
Oh.
They mean discrete functions,
Oh.
meaning domain is discrete.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Mano, you're able to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you're stuck anywhere, let me know. Shragvi,
I did
let's
a
use
practice exam today. It was all pretty easy.
which one?
Most of it. I did a practice exam today.
Today?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. So, how do you do the practice exam from college board? Huh?
Yeah.
College board gives you how many practice exams?
I have 4 practice exams. I've done 2 MCQs, I'd say.
Oh, nice. Okay, this is from one of the exams. I don't know whether the exam you have and I have are the same, but yeah. Shragvi, what is this A Shragvi? Was it for the third one or the fourth one or which? Oh yeah,
For the fourth one,
fourth one. Okay,
whenever I
can we?
send
Yeah,
four,
yeah, Maya.
oh,
You can go with this then. Manav, did you get it? If you get it,
Yeah.
then we can keep moving. Second, you got it or not? Manav,
Yeah, I got the answer.
which one is the answer for the second one?
B.
B, correct. It's a quadratic, right?
No?
You got a quadratic equation, right?
Oh, yeah. I did.
Okay, that's what I. Okay, you're not able to see, right, Shragvi? Hold on. Let me see, guys.
Wait, Miss Priya, could I see number 3?
You
Hmm.
can see number three. Hold on. Shragvi, I'm sorry, ma. 1 minute, ma. Go ahead. Three, four, five. I need to check the answer for the fifth one. Oh, it's just expansion. Okay, that should be easy. Okay. Oh, yeah. See, yeah. Most part I see it's all about remembering what was studied. I'll try to get those quickly. Let me know if you need any help. Quickly we'll do and then keep moving, guys. Did you get the third one, Manav?
Yeah, I think I got D. I'm doing number four.
D is correct. So it is flipped, and then the 2 you'll move out, so that becomes x minus 1. 1 is your asymptote, so 1 plus, yes, goes to infinity is correct. Fourth,
Four, I'm getting A.
that's right. Keep moving. Fifth. Shagvi, did you get the fifth one, ma?
I got D.
D4, 4 comes out, okay. So,
Oh my.
4 log 4 is correct. 3 times 16, 3 times 16 plus 7. Oh yeah, so that will be 4 square. So uh, really good, ma. Let's move on. Sixth one is from exponential function. So exponential decay or exponential growth, and then whether it's a reflection or not, then based on that you can say whether it's concave up and increasing or decreasing. Did you get it? Next one. Sixth one. Shragvi and Manav.
Number five is
Hmm?
that long.
Oh, you are waiting on that log. Can I do that for you?
Uh, I think I can try. Could I try it first?
Yeah, sure. When you see a power to the log numbers, bring it in front. Shragvi, the exponential function, is it easy or not?
Is 6B?
Concave down, Ama. Ama, correct, Ama.
Okay.
Keep going with the seventh. Let
Okay.
me get you the next ones then. Let's see, we'll at least finish one set. I thought of finishing one and a half. Let's see. Oh yeah, this one was a little tricky. When I, for the class when I was preparing, right, I felt this was very tricky. Let's see. Manav, if I'm right, you're on the fifth one. This is completely one set of MCQs, okay? The exam D. I'm working on exam D MCQs. Okay, there
Okay.
are 4 mock tests A, B, C, D. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Okay. So if we can finish one during the class as well, it's a good one for us.
Miss Spirit, it's 3 times 16 by 7, right?
3
Like,
times 16 by 7, correct.
okay. Is number 5D?
Number 5D. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Correct.
Number 6 is B.
Yes. So you understood why, right?
Because, like, it starts like this. It starts
It start.
this and then reflected. And then
Basically, it is an exponential function, right? So
it always
exponential
has
decay,
1.
but it was flipped. Right? Exponential decay was flipped, but then, yeah, it was flipped. So basically, h is always increasing, and it's concave. It's not a cup. Opposite to that, concave down.
Hmm. On the practice exam, I was confused on the, like, it like asks like what intervals of the polar graph are increasing, decreasing.
Can we do that? You want to do that?
Sure. I don't remember that one.
Yeah. Shagvi, can we do that? I'll revise for you, Mano. I'll really
Okay.
revise for you.
Thank you.
Yeah. See, like that, if you can pick out some topics where it is really. Mano, one thing there, right? Draw the linear graph and see if you're really confused.
Uh,
Draw the corresponding linear graph and see. You will never make a mistake. I'll revise it for you. Whatsoever, I'll revise it for you.
okay.
Yeah.
And to graph a polar, I think I know that you find the corresponding value and like the radius is like the y-axis kind of
The re-
because like you if it's like if one value is like cosine or sine is like 1.3, you just put it in between rings
1
1
and
and
2.
2.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. Tell me this. So you want to know, meaning rate of change in polar graphs is what you're saying, right?
Yeah.
It is confusing, no doubt. But then once you get the hang of it, it should be okay.
And wait, and also like the direction of polar graphs, is it like this? Like
Direction of, what do you mean by direction of?
like
Ma,
if
you
this like
can write on the board, absolutely.
so if I like if it's like like a radius ring,
Mm-hmm.
and then you would draw like equation like this. Would it like be like how exactly would it? It could be any way, right? Like like when
Okay,
drawing a polar graph, like what's the exact way you have to draw it?
okay, we will go over that. See, okay, let's see here. Okay, so you have these, right? You have these, right? 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2. So you start with making a table of theta and r, right? So
Yeah.
for 0, did you come to the class where we did the GeoGebra graphing?
Yeah.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Then if it is 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, what are the values you tabulate, right? Let's say for 0, cos 0 is 1. Pi by 6 slowly reduces, pi by 4 reduces, pi by 3 reduces, pi by 2 is again 0, right? That's how you get cos theta graph like this, right?
Yeah.
See what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Whereas sine theta, when you think about it, right? Meaning it starts from 0, right? Meaning it starts from 0, right? So it goes like this and comes like a circle. Do you get it? Meaning it's based on the theta comma r value, theta comma r value, theta comma r value, right, Manav?
So the sine is like more even across the x-axis?
Sine is?
Its sine is like split by the x-axis?
Sine is split by the y-axis, right? This is the cos curve, right?
The red is the red the cosine or?
Red is the cosine, right?
Oh, I thought the red was sine.
Am I making a mistake? No, I don't think so. I need to go to that unit. Hold on. Anyway, we are going to discuss what we wanted, right? Let me see. Wait. Okay, you go ahead and do this problem. I'll help you with that. So you wanted to do. Let me see. Yeah, 3.13148. This is the polar graphing. But this one doesn't contain that though. Yeah, that's a cos curve. Whatever I drew was a cos curve, right, Manav?
The red is
The cos curve, Manav. Cos is always symmetric about the x-axis. Sine is always symmetric about the y-axis. Minus sine theta is down. Minus cos theta is in the left.
okay.
You got it? Okay, we'll
Yeah.
revise that if you want to. Yeah. Let's finish this set of at least 10 problems, then we'll go there. You're
Okay.
on 7, 8, 9. You guys are on 7, 8, 9. In the meantime, I'll take it up and ready for you to revise.
Okay. Thank you.
So how do we draw the graph as well? I'll tell you.
Okay.
You wanted the rate of change, right? Not this one.
Rate of change?
Yeah, yeah, of polar function, right?
Yeah.
Is the function increasing or decreasing? All that stuff.
Mm-hmm.
How can I show from where? Oh, we want. But I don't know what you want. Maybe that's different. Negative and increase, negative and actually value is decreasing. Okay, let's do that. Okay, done this one. We'll go till 10, Amma. Are you done with the seventh one? What is the seventh answer, both of you?
B.
7? I'm
Mm,
so done.
yeah.
Sufficiently large number? Oh.
Is it B, ma?
Or D, sorry.
What made you say B?
I think I said it on accident
Okay.
because I'm doing 8 now, but I need
Okay, okay.
help with
You need
8.
help on that?
Yeah.
Okay, how to, okay, we need to convert Manav, are you doing seventh one?
Yeah.
Okay. Shall we proceed with this tan inverse of B by A, ma? Tan inverse of Y by X, right, ma? This is X comma Y, correct? This is in which quadrant, ma? Minus 6,
Uh,
minus 3, right?
it's 3.
Yep. So,
Tan inverse of 2.
tan inverse of
2.
2 or 1 by 2?
Sorry, 1 half.
Yeah, that's what I thought. So, tan inverse of 1 half. So, that becomes theta. However, wait, it's in the third quadrant, right?
Yeah.
So, what would happen?
It's 3 pi over 4.
What is it, ma?
Would it be 3 pi over 4?
Would it be
3 pi over 4?
tan inverse of half is what?
It's normally, wait. Oh, never mind.
What is tan inverse of half? Shragvi, did you realize what is tan
It's
inverse
like
of half?
pi over 6 over pi over 3. Which is, I'm not sure what that is.
Let me go there. Hold on. Okay, so 1 minute, ma. Let me move this out. Okay, so for this one, right? You're also stuck with Shragvi and Manav. Both of you are stuck with the same problem.
Yeah, I think I almost have number 7.
Okay, so we were doing what? 1 minute. Let me as well check. Okay.
Wait, actually, I think I got my answer. I think
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
D.
So tan inverse of half is what? Pi by 6, right? Tan inverse of half, where are we? Tan inverse of half is pi by 6, right? Pi by
I
6 is
don't think
here,
it's
right?
pi by 6. It's not pi by 6.
Tan inverse of half. What? Okay. Okay, let's come with r equal to root of x square. R will be equal to root of x square plus y square. So what is that? Root of 6 square plus 9. Root of 36 plus 9 is 45. So 9 5s are 45, right? 9 5s are 45 means 3 root 5. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Then it's an okay. So now, 1 second. Where are we? I just want to verify. Let me quickly check, guys. Give me a minute. I need a unit circle. One. Okay, what did we get? Tan inverse of half we got, but seems there is a mistake in here. Hold on. Tan inverse of half we got, and that should be something feels wrong to me there. Okay, 1 minute, guys. Give me a minute. Something feels wrong to me. Okay, how about the R value? Coming to the R value, right, guys? What will be
It's
the
3
answer?
root 5.
3 root
3.
5, but it is the quadrant 3, right? Minus 6 minus 3. So what would happen?
I mean, it can be 3 root 5, but if it can still be 3 root 5. Or,
No, no, no. The point, right? Minus 6 comma minus 3 is present here. You see what I mean? If you are pointing to 3 root 5 and then whatever is the tan inverse of half, right? That theta will be appearing here, right?
Yeah.
So you need to be pointing to this point, right?
Uh-huh. Oh,
So
something negative?
automatically it has to be negative. So the answer is this or this, right?
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So let me see, guys. Why? Meaning the
Because tan
theta
inverse
value, I
has to
feel
be.
like it's incorrect here, but actual R value is minus root 3, minus 3 root 5. Makes sense?
Is it because angle for inverse tan has to be quadrant 1 or 4? Is that why?
Angle for?
Angle for inverse tangent, like the result has to be like in the domain restricted domain,
Definitely yes, right? Between pi by 2 and minus pi by 2 and pi by 2, right?
which is quadrants 1 and 4.
1 and 4. So you'll go ahead with a minus 3 root 5, but the angle seems incorrect here. I'll check and tell you on that. Make sense?
Yeah.
Shragvi, did that make sense?
Yeah.
So you will have to use R, this formula, and this formula for theta. But let me quickly check why is the angle incorrect. I will check and tell you guys. You can keep moving. We will do 10 and we'll go to the rate of change of. Can I erase? I don't want to erase that off. I'll have to get back to you. Do this one. This seems a little tricky. Okay, now I need to check. What is 1 by root 3? 1 divided by square root of 3. What did we get? Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, I know why they did it. Okay. Tan inverse of half we got, right? That was 0.5, right? In this, right, tan inverse of pi by 6 is what actually? It should be sine by cos, right? 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2, right? So when I cancel that off, you get 1 by root 3, right? The decimal value of this is 0.577. That is why they have taken it as tan inverse of half will be equal to pi by 6. You got it?
Oh,
That's why they have taken this.
so for that we'd use a calculator since we
You don't
can't.
need they won't ask you with this ambiguous answers. Don't worry about it. Makes sense. In the real exam, they won't have these sort of ambiguous answers. It'll be clearer. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, how about this? Okay, we need to do one more at least and then only we'll move. At least that way we have an accountability. Where is, I wanted to do the 10th one. Okay, ninth one is okay. 10th one. Okay, 10 and 11 we can do. So one is on sequences and series. Let's see. Oh, this is one is easy. So let's see, guys. We'll do these two and then we'll move on to that graphing. This is interesting actually. Ninth one.
Number 9 is only 2 options.
Number, oh my god. What did I do? I don't know. Let me check. You know what? Okay. I know why. How about this? These were the four options. Okay, now we are clear with the tan problem, right? Just because it was near, they have chosen that 0.5 and 0.577 it was. That's why they've chosen that. So let's do this here. Come on, guys. So these are the four graphs. Little bit tricky. There's a subtle difference between A and B, right?
Could you zoom out? I can't. There's like a graph for this.
Yeah, huh?
There's a graph on the top, I think,
The
in the picture.
this goes like, oh yeah, the picture. Basically, the picture says the part where you drop the sand is bulging in the middle.
If it's bulging, that means it's slower.
Correct.
Are we supposed to know this in the exam? Because I don't. We never learned this in school. Like
Oh,
these
it's basic
pictures.
logic, right?
Oh,
Because what are you trying to graph? The situation is modeled by the function d, where t is time in seconds, is the independent variable, and the depth of the sand in the container keeps on increasing, correct? But at some point, the depth of the sand in the container in the middle is slow. So what happens? For a while, it will look as if the depth of the sand is
like slowing down.
same, yeah. Slowing down or increasing at a very, very, very small rate, right? So which do you, but that happens only once, only during the bulge. So which one is, you think is the
The
answer?
Could you show the other answers?
Other answers are useless automatically.
Oh, I think it's C.
C. Why? Because when it reaches the middle, right, this part is when it reaches the middle, it will look as if that there is no change in the depth of the sand. Though it is increasing because of the bulge, because it is so wide, it will look as if that the depth of sand is being a constant. And after that, again, it goes faster. You see?
Yeah,
So fast, slow, fast. Here, fast, slow, fast, slow, fast. No, this is not correct. Make sense?
yeah,
For that, the container should have been like this. Fast, slow, fast, slow, and then fast. You see? The bulge,
yeah.
there would have been one more bulge here. Got it?
Hmm.
Okay. Shagvi, are you following Shagvi?
Yeah.
Okay, 10 and 11. With that, we'll conclude. I would like to do 25, but let's see. After the rate, when we have time, we can come back. So, for the rate, what did I want to discuss with you guys? Mano, I don't know what type of problems you're expecting. We'll see. We'll see. I think I have what you're asking. Let's see. Yeah, I think I know what you're asking, but let's look at it quickly. What was the other one? 10 and 11, huh? We did not look at these 10 and 11. That's a good one. T is the number of hours. So if T is the number of hours, Which one is it?
D.
Good job, Ma. Why did you say D?
Because T is 560 and the number that increases is 4%.
Mm-hmm.
So it's,
1.04, you got it. But the
yeah,
biggest confusion is with respect to the exponent, right? How did you decide?
since there's 24 hours in the day, D is T over 24.
Good job. Good job. The last one, 12th. F of t is 2. F g of x. Oh, that's teeny tiny bit tricky. The 12th. What are you doing? Which one are you doing? Yeah. 10th one, did you get it, Manav?
Yeah.
Okay, 11th one, I did not look. Go ahead. Yeah, 11th one seems easy.
Like, could we go over the rate of change?
Yeah, absolutely. Done. 11th one is done. We will
Yeah.
go over. Don't worry. Even if I'm going to take time, I'm going to tell you and go. Done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
11th one is what? Answer.
A.
A is correct. Manav, did you get A?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Let's move on. So I'm going to take this out. Let's go over this rate of change. I have let me explain this to you nice. This is what we did in class. I don't know whether you remember, but I don't know whether you were present or this for this one, Manav. But let's see. I have this in here. Okay. This is what you're asking. I don't know what you're asking as well. So let me know whether you're asking about this. This is what you're asking, right?
Yeah.
That's what I thought because this is the part that's very confusing. So let's say r equal to 6 sine 3 theta. R will be equal to 6 sine 3 theta. See what is going on. So first you start with the blue. First we start with the blue. First we start with the blue, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So wait. I am in a hurry. Hold on. Hold on. R equal to 6 sine 3 theta, right? So we start with the green. Manav, we start with the green, right, Manav?
Yeah. Oh.
For sine
Oh yeah, the
0, we
green, so
start.
it's 0.
Uh, so sine pi by 6 goes here because times 6, right? Right?
Yeah.
So it goes to 6 at pi by 6. So here we start in green. So the R value keeps on increasing, right? From 0 to 6, it keeps on increasing. So it is going away from the pole, right? When you do this graph on a linear coordinate, in a rectangular coordinate, right? See what happens. Sine theta is actually 2 pi is the period, right? That is being split, meaning there should be 3 cycles within 2 pi, meaning this is 2 pi by 3, then this is 2 pi by 2 uh, within the 2 pi you should have 3 cycles. Am I correct, Manav?
Yeah.
So first cycle here, second cycle here, third cycle here. Correct, Manav?
Yeah.
So this is cycle 1, this is cycle 2, this is cycle 3. Right, Manav?
Yeah.
Okay, now we start with the green. You see? Now the next one, what happens? Then you come back, right? Right?
And then you go to the left side.
So wait, yeah, this is the one. So you come back to your x-axis on the linear graph. Then what happens? Then you go to the maroon or this one. You see? So let's analyze the graph here. Okay, here R value keeps on increasing. It's going away, right? Positive. This is positive. R is positive, right? This side is negative. So R value is coming back to the pole, but then the positivity decreases, but it is still positive. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Am I making sense?
Yeah, the radius increases because it goes away from the.
Yeah, radius increases, right? Radius increases, the blue one. I don't want to make a mess with the colors. The the let's say the green one now. The first one starts with the green. See here, the first one starts with the green, right? R value increases, goes away from the pole, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then what happens? Blue. R value positive. See, we are on the positive axis because it starts with 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2. That's how the graph starts, right? That is why the polar graph starts from here 0, comma 0, and then what is pi by 6 value, pi by 4 value, pi by 3 value. It has to start here and then go here. You got it?
Yeah.
And then when it reaches this value, right, when it reaches less than pi by 2, when it even reaches less than pi by 2, then see what happens. When it reaches pi by 2, it becomes most negative. When it reaches pi by 2, it has to be at its most negative. Do you see?
Yeah.
So we are going, see, when R was positive, going away from the pole increased, going towards the pole decreased. But it's the opposite when R is negative. See, R is negative means what happens, you see this part of the graph. See what is going on in this part of the graph. It's going away from the pole but negative. So negative, the value of R basically decreases because it's becoming too negative. Do you see?
Yeah.
So when R is negative, if it goes away from the pole, then it is decreasing. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Now, coming back, right? What happens? The negative value goes on decreasing. As a result, as such, R value goes on increasing. Do you see it?
Yeah.
See, when R is positive, when you go away, it's an increase. When you come back towards this, um, it is this is increasing, this is decreasing. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
R is negative, it's exactly the opposite. If it goes away, when it is increasingly become negative, which is decreasing. You got it?
Yeah.
R is negative when it goes towards means good for you. It is becoming more positive, right? So I can say it's increasing. Make sense?
Yeah.
Does it sound good or no?
Oh, yeah, it sounds good, but on AP exam, like sometimes
Yeah,
they
let
gave
me go
like
ahead.
they
I'll,
find like intervals. It's like 0, comma 2.904. So I couldn't like give the
Like what,
values to
Amma?
you.
Let's see. I'll bring up some questions. Let me know what questions you're talking about. Is this what you're being asked? Something like this, maybe? I have it in here. Let me know if this is what you're asking for. Shravvi, if you have some questions like this, you can ask. Is this what you're asking, Manav?
Yeah, kind of, but it's an MCQ. But I mean, this also works.
This also works. Okay, let's see here. See, if you remember that, then this becomes very easy. 0 to pi by 2, right? 0 to pi by 2. Where is our graph? 0 to pi by 2. What is happening? You tell me. 0 to 5. What is happening?
Increasing,
First of all, it's positive.
positive, increasing.
Positive. It's increasing. So what do you think? Is it moving away? Think about the linear graph. Positive, positive, increasing. Is it moving towards the pole or away from the pole?
Away.
Yeah, it's moving away from the pole. Did you have any questions on that now?
No.
Is it becoming easier?
It is, but on AP exam, like on the practice, it had like some like more like difficult values like to use.
I really want to see that. Meaning, do you have a sample?
Yeah, I have a question.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. I'll discuss with you on that. Now, coming to the next one, pi by 2. Let's see. Let's try to answer this. Pi by 2 to pi, what is happening?
Um,
First of all, r is positive.
art is going towards
R
the.
is positive and it's decreasing. So it's going towards the pole. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you are getting confused, look at the linear graph. Okay, when R is negative, this is R is positive going away from the pole. R is positive going towards the pole. Now R is negative
Uh-huh.
going away from the pole. Negativity increases, so the value is decreasing. R is negative, when you move towards the pole, it's becoming positive, so I can say increasing. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, do you have your question with you?
Yeah. Let's see.
How are you going to share or send?
Uh, can I screenshot it?
Yeah, anything works with me. Shragvi, did you have any questions like this that you would like to discuss?
No.
Okay. We can continue the MCQ provided. Let's see. Did you send Manav?
Yeah, I'm sending.
So I thought this was easy calls, but I don't know what you are asking where we are having trouble. Average rate of change, are you getting confused?
No.
Okay, then give it to me. Give the question. Send the question to me.
I'm trying to find it.
Okay, you're trying to find it. Can we go? Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
I
You
got
got
it.
you got it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. You're going to send it in chat?
Yeah, I'll send it in chat.
Yeah, send it in chat. Let me give let's go over another few questions, right? I really want to finish the MCQ today on one, I felt. Then only it's yeah. Go ahead and do this, ma. Shragvi, if you're not getting it, let me know, Shragvi.
Okay.
We'll do at least one full is what I thought. J. Oh yeah, this is the function. Okay. Let's try this one. 12, 13, 14, at least 15 problems will finish, ma. So that way it gives some sort of accountability. Okay, we revised at least MCQ 15 questions. Okay, we'll go from the first. Manav, did you send it to me?
Yeah, I'm sending it now.
Yeah, yeah.
I sent it.
I will check right away. I'll check. You keep doing this MCQ. I'll come back to that. You sent it in chat. I'm going to see that. Yeah, Manav, I have it. What is that? Polar function. Let me try myself, okay? Graph the polar coordinate on which of the following intervals is. Oh, I see. Polar coordinates and between the point with polar coordinates f of theta, theta, r, theta, and the origin. In which of the following intervals of theta is the distance between the point oh I see 3.14 is pi, right? No, 0 to 2. Let me see, guys. One, okay. Oh, I can't write on that term. Okay, so let me write it on this side. Okay, 1 plus 2 cos theta. Let me see and clarify that now itself. But the interval that you've given seems not hard. Let's see. I need to do it on a pencil and a paper. 1 plus 2 cos theta na. Following intervals theta decreasing. Oh, 0 to 2 pi. And there'll be two places where it is decreasing, correct? So the graph is going to be like this. So 1 plus 2 cos theta. But let me know GeoGebra. I'll show you. Did you get the answers?
I don't understand number 12.
Let's see. Plus 2 cos theta. Let me put 1 second. 'no? Not this one, right? Polar graphs. I'll do it for you guys wherever you're stuck. Pi will be minus 1. Minus minus 1 and then
Wait, Miss Priya, are you doing anything more in class?
no, we are doing those problems, right? 12, 13, 14. Which one did you not know?
It's because I might have to go. Like, might have to eat
Okay,
dinner now.
okay. You can go, but you wanted 1 plus 2 cos theta, right? Do you understand that it would be a limicon? Inner loop limicon?
No.
Did you attend the class on polar graphs?
I did, but like I don't remember it now. I
Okay.
forgot polar
No,
graph.
I don't think you came. Shragvi, are you doing the 12 and 13, ma?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, Mana, 1 plus 2 cos theta would be a graph like this, right, ma? So at 0, meaning cos 0 is, will be here in this case, it will be cos theta will be equal to 1, so it will be a 3, right? It will start from here. Do you see it?
Yeah.
So for cos pi, what happens?
It's negative
Minus
one.
1, right?
Yeah.
Do you see? So it comes like this and then it goes like this, and then finishes, right, Manav?
Oh.
You understand how it is drawn now?
Yeah, yeah. So
So
because
basically, yeah, the 1 plus 2 cos theta, how does it start? 1 plus 2 cos theta. Don't worry about anything, okay? Now, cos 0 is 1, so it starts with a 3. This is your starting point. And then when you go this is the way it goes, right? Cos
yeah,
pi by 2 is what?
0.
0, right? So, yeah, so there it will be 1, right? Do you see, Manav?
Yeah,
So the way it works is it will be an inner loop limison, right?
yeah.
I want to show you that graph. Give me 1 minute, Mano, even if you want to go to GeoGebra. I don't know whether I have those links with me. Give me a minute, Ma. Shragvi, I'm going to take this off from you. Okay?
Okay.
GeoGebra. Uh, I'm going to take this away from you. Okay, Shragvi?
Mm-hmm.
Give me a minute. Mano, it's okay. Let's learn this and go, Mano. 1 plus 3 cos. Oh, I have that. Okay. See, 1 plus 3 cos theta. So, I'll take a screenshot and show. You asked me for this question, right, Mana? Let me share that with you. Okay, I'll share. Give me a minute. 1 plus 3 cos theta was your question, right, Mana?
Yeah.
So when you look at this graph, right, see, that's what I said. So here 1 plus 3. It was, what was yours? I don't remember. Wait. What was the question that you gave me? 1 plus 2 cos theta, va?
Yeah, 1 plus 2 cos
1
theta.
plus 2 cos theta na, a little bit different. This would be, I have the graph, I plotted it for 1 plus 3 cos theta. So it should be here. You got it? It starts here. Makes sense?
Yeah.
For pi by 2, we got a 1, right? So it'll come like this. Makes sense, Manav?
Yeah.
Okay. So now it is, the R value is positive and decreasing. Do you see it? R value is positive, decreasing. Correct, Manav?
Yeah.
Now, when it comes here, what happens, Manav? You see pi by 2, and after that, these values are negative values. Do you see?
But they're increasing.
Yeah, no, negativity is increasing. So what do you think about the values? When it goes away from the pole for R
Oh.
negative,
Oh, then it's decreasing.
R negative, it's still decreasing here. Then here, what happens? R is still negative, right?
Is
Right,
it not
Manav?
positive? Is it not positive no?
how it can be, because see, this is pi by 2 to pi by 2 to I don't know what value you get 0. So here
No, because
again,
it's over the x-axis.
oh, that does not matter, right? We are working for these angles, right? For these angles, we are plotting this part, right?
Yeah.
You see, Manav? And then
Yeah.
from here, it is at this point, and for this angle, right? For this angle, it is like this, it is like this, it is like this, it is like this. These are positive, right?
Yeah.
Am I making sense?
Mhm.
Does that, do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah. So you start at like one point and then you go around.
Exactly. The graph started here, and then see, for this was pi by 6, so this was, then this was pi by 4, right? Pi by 4 had this value, then pi by 6, so let's say this one should be pi by 6, I think, so I'm not doing it properly. So this one was pi by 4, this one was pi by 6, let's say pi by 6 was something here, right? Pi by 2 was a 1, correct, Manav?
Yeah.
All this is positive. Does that make sense?
Mhm.
So you tell me what is the answer to your question. Your question was, wait, let me go to your chat. So now tell me, I can share the screen with you again. So now tell me 1 plus 2 cos theta, where does the distance between the point and the polar coordinate, the origin and the point, the distance is decreasing. Where will it decrease?
Like when you go here,
Okay, let me show you. So basically,
like when you go like here, it's decreasing.
when you go from, wait, can you show it on the graph here, in the show me again. Show me. See, they are saying theta is in radians, right? If it is in radians, then mark it like this, Manav. This one is 0, this one is pi by 2, means what is the radian value? This is 3.14. So 3.14 divide by 2, Manav. This is 3.14 divide by 2 now,
5 7.
1.07, right? 3.14 divided by 2, pi by 2, right? 1.5, yeah, 1.57. So from where to where it is decreasing. So see here, from here, what happens? Our value is decreasing, right? On the positive side, it's decreasing, right, Manav?
Yeah.
So that is the set where it is decreasing. After that, what happens? Again, where it
Uh,
is decreasing.
the
R becomes negative now, right?
this bottom one,
Till what now?
this one, like here.
From here to here it's decreasing. Yes, you got it. From here, so correctly, exactly pointing out from here to here, right?
Oh, the cosine is positive, negative, negative, positive.
Correct. Do you get it? This is R positive decreasing, this is R negative still further decreasing. That's why you are calling these two. Make sense?
Yeah.
Did you get that, huh?
Yeah, I got that.
Okay. Shagvi, did you want to check any other answer?
I did 12, the one
Can I
from,
check your answer, ma?
I got B.
12th one, 1 minute, ma, I'm off that. 12th one, what did you get?
Yes, Priya.
Yeah,
B.
you can leave. Be correct, ma. Good job. 13th
Okay.
one?
I didn't do
Thank
that
you.
one.
Okay, okay. I posted this in your Google Classroom as well. This is exam number D.
Okay.
Make sense? All the best. But if you have any questions in between as well, anytime you can ping me.
Okay.
Make
Thank
sense?
you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma.